guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's vlog, I'll be unboxing a package from Shopee. Bale, this is a professional live stream phone stand mobile holder with Ringlight. Wow! So tara, buksan na natin. So guys, eto yung ring light na meron clamp. So, bale, ika-clamp mo lang siya sa table para mas sturdy at hindi magalaw yung ring light mo. So, this is actually made of steel. Etong clamp. And then, etong gooseneck is made of steel. And then, this is the ring light. And then, this is the remote. And then the USB connector, and also this is the mobile phone holder. So, I think mukha namang matibay to since this is made of metal. And then, bali flexible yung gooseneck niya. So, kahit na anong angle, pwede mo siyang ilipat-lipat. So, eto na siya. Naka-clamp na siya sa table. And then, nilagyan ko na rin ng cellphone. So, this is the remote. It has an on and off switch. And then, the dimmer. 3 settings. Yung brightest at saka yung hindi bright. And then, yung 3 lights. Yung warm, yung yellow, and then yung white. And then, yung white at saka yellow na magkasama. So, here is it. Sulit naman siya. This is only for 145 sa Shopee. So, unlike yung the usual ring light with the tripod stand, it's much cheaper. And then, pwede mo siyang ilagay dun sa limited ang space, like sa table mo, and then wala ka na mapatungan. So, pwede siya. It's just that, since mabigat yung gooseneck na made of metal and then lalagay mo yung cellphone, medyo bumabagsak siya. So, ang gagawin mo na lang is ayusin mo yung pagkaka-angulo ng gooseneck mo para hindi siya bumagsak. But nevertheless, this is good and sturdy. So, mukhang matagal mo siyang gagamitin. So, that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. See us again next time.